Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some easy, delicious pineapple chicken. Here I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've already washed with vinegar, trimmed the excess fat and pat dry. Now I'm seasoning with some of my favorite seasonings: onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika, etc. I'm adding some ginger powder instead of fresh ginger only because I was out of my homemade ginger puree. So if you have fresh ginger, you can use that instead. The green seasoning that you see me adding is some of my homemade fresh seasoning blend. Check out the video linked above as well as in the description box below. So now I'm going to work my seasonings in and then cover and allow it to marinate for an hour while I work on the rest of my ingredients. I highly recommend using fresh pineapple for this recipe. It makes a huge difference in terms of flavor. Of course, you don't have to peel it like I'm doing here. You can get it where all of that is done for you. Just make sure it's fresh and not canned. I understand that some persons may not have access to fresh pineapple depending on where you live, but if you can get fresh, please use that for this recipe. Now, contrary to that, I'm using some store-bought pineapple juice. Yes, I'm just adding 1/3 cup, not much. And this pineapple juice is one of my favorite. I always have it in my fridge. If you're not using fresh, just make sure you use pineapple juice that is good quality and not one that's basically sugar and artificial flavor. So I'm adding the juice to some homemade chicken stock. Video for the chicken stock is linked if you're interested, along with some dark soy sauce, tomato ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, and cornstarch. To a skillet which is on medium heat, I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil. Any oil of your preference can be used. And once that heats up, I'm going to sear my chicken for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once my chicken is done searing, I'm going to saute some onion and sweet pepper, same thing as bell pepper, for a minute before adding in my sauce. And I'm going to let my sauce come to a boil and then let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes while it thickens. Then add my chicken back in along with my diced pineapple and then give that another 3 minutes to come together. And let's just all take a moment to appreciate how good this looks. It looks good, smells good. I wish you were in my kitchen, and it tasted so good. And there you have it, the easiest, most delicious pineapple chicken. The perfect balance of subtle flavors of sweet and sour, not overpowering at all, unlike what you get at some restaurants. I enjoyed mine with some lo mein, but this would definitely go well with some plain rice or even mashed potatoes. I really do hope you get a chance to try this recipe. You're welcome to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_ or drop a comment down below. Please help the video to trend by liking, sharing, and subscribing if you're not yet subscribed. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.